Hi crafty friends, welcome back to the Crafty Seas. Today we are sharing this super fun soccer pop-up card as part of the Fancy Fold challenge hosted by the lovely Monica Paper Mona, and there's lots of other crafters taking part as well to give you inspiration and tutorials. You have Create with Katarina, Quilling Lady Monica, Jenny Ginger Ninja, and the lovely Christine Carpenter from Christine's Cards and Things, and I'll leave all the links you need in the description box below. And this month the challenge is a pop-up exploding box card, and we've decided to go with this fun football theme for a birthday for a 12-year-old who is a massive football fan. And to make this card, we've followed Monica Quilling Lady's tutorial to make the card base, and we've used this Gemini nesting stitch detail die to create our panels for the side, and we've used some lovely cardstock from our stash. We've used green glitter card from Crafter's Companion that looks a bit like the grass, and then here we've used an actual photograph of the grass printed out, and some lime green card from the Creando paper pad from Lidl. And we absolutely love this coloured card. It's a great vibrant colour paper pad, and it has a solid core as well. So if you ever see this in the middle aisle of Lidl, you can definitely pick it up. So that's the luxury mirror stock from Crafter's Companion and the Creando card, and our photograph grass that we use to create the mats, layers and panels for our exploding box. And you can use any cards at all that you have in your stash. And to stick with the football theme, we use these football foam stickers from the range, and we've attached them to the panels on the side and to acetate in the middle of the explosion to give the action of the football field with all the different players kicking the ball. And the recipient has already received their birthday card and they absolutely loved it. And the great thing with this card design is it can fold entirely flat to go in the envelope and for postage. Have you ever made a football themed card or a pop-up box card? We'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. And please check out the lovely crafters mentioned and the links below to their channel for more tips, inspiration and tutorials using fancy folds. And if you'd like a tutorial on how we made this card or anything else you've seen in our videos, let us know in the comment section below. A huge thank you for watching today. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit that like, subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time, happy crafting!